A viewer asked this important question on my YouTube channel. Can you use baking soda instead of baking powder? This is a very good question. Lots of beginners can be confused between the difference between baking powder and bicarbonate of soda. I certainly was when I first started baking. In this video, I'm going to give you the answers so you'll never be confused about the difference of these two agents. First of all, these are leavening agents, so they allow your cake to rise. Let's start with bicarbonate of soda. Bicarbonate of soda is a pure leavening agent. It's alkaline in nature. It needs to be activated by contact with moisture, which you get from the batter, as well as an acidic agent. So it will often be used in a recipe that contains other acidic agents like lemon juice or chocolate or buttermilk or honey. And together, it will give your cake a rise. Baking powder, on the other hand, contains bicarbonate of soda pre-mixed with a dry acidic agent such as cream of tartar. So all it needs to be activated is contact with wet ingredients, and then it will react with the moisture in the wet ingredients, produce carbon dioxide, which then aerates and lightens your cake mixture. To answer the final question, can you use one instead of the other? The answer is no. As we said, they are very different ingredients. In fact, bicarbonate of soda is 3 times more powerful than baking powder. So if you've only got baking powder or bicarbonate of soda, it's best to find a recipe that uses that ingredient. Happy baking!